In the meantime, while I'm sitting there waiting for that thing to fully boot up, because I'm going to upload my video, I want to talk about a few things. A continuation of that thing that I was talking about, habits. Beliefs are habits. We believe the sun will rise tomorrow. I'm thinking about David Hume and his famous question, how do you know the sun will rise tomorrow? Well, we don't know it will rise tomorrow. I've actually gotten into this argument once with somebody about that. It wasn't even an argument, because it wasn't an argument in the truest intellectual meaning of the word argument. It was more like bickering. It wasn't an intellectual process. It was more like the argument clinic of Monty Python, where somebody just contradicted what I said. But I made my point, and I explained it the same way David Hume said it. We get in the habit of expecting the sun to rise. We're in the habit of expecting it to rise. So we just get so used to things, we just say we know. When you go to the grocery store and you get a can, it's labeled, let's say like stewed tomatoes. I went and bought some stewed tomatoes the other day. And somebody could ask you, what's in that can? You say stewed tomatoes. Not just because of what's on the label, but because you're in the habit of expecting what it says on the label to be equal to what's in the can. You're simply in the habit of expecting that. You don't expect anything else. You've gotten into the habit, and that habit has been established because of experience. The habit is established because of actual experience. Every time you've gotten a can of anything and you open it up, whatever it said on the label, that's pretty much what was in the can. If it said that it was, vegetable beef soup, that's what was in there. If it said that it was string beans, that's what was in the can. If it said that there was corn in there, that's what was in the can. So you get in a habit. We get in the habit of things happening a certain way. A pattern forms in our mind, a pattern of expectations. When I play with my video camera, I see that red light is on, I know it's recording. But I don't really know it's recording. See, I get in the habit of even saying I know. But in fact, I don't really know. I'm just expecting it to record. And I expect to see my image on that thing. You expect things to happen. You have an expectation. It's not the same as knowing, but it is expecting. You expect something. And that's the key right there. What is it that you expect? And is what you expect equal to what you know? It's just something to think about.